Okay, good day, students. So, looking at difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. So, let's consider this expression here. That is our A plus our B multiplied by our A minus our B. So, this everything here will multiply by this. So everything there will multiply by this. So let's see what we can do. So now our A, open your bracket, we have our A multiplied by everything here. That's our A minus our B plus our B here. Open bracket, multiply by everything here. We have our A minus our B. So which will give us S equals to our A here times our A here. We have our A square. Our A here times our minus B. We have our minus AB. Our plus B here multiplied by A. We have our plus AB minus our B square. So which will give us our A square. Our A square. So minus AB plus AB is 0. So we are left with minus B square. So here is the answer. So we're talking about the difference of two squares. We are dealing with this. These are the difference of these two squares here. We are dealing with this to this and to yield this solution. This solution here, that's what is to give birth to. So let's consider some problems. Like, let's illustrate this. So just take note that this is what we call the difference of two squares. So let's solve some problems. So this question here, let's solve this. Let's solve this. Let's express, let's simplify each of the following. That is, you have to simplify this and this. So let's start with this. Let's start with this. That is, which is our 4x plus our 3y multiplied by our 4x minus our 3y. So which will be, take note and multiply everything here throughout this. So which is our 4x, open your bracket, you have our 4x minus our 3y plus our 3y plus our 3y, open your bracket again, 4x minus 3y. So which should be equals to our 4x times our 4x, we have our 16x square. So our 4x times our minus 3y, we have our minus 12xy. So then our 3y here times our 4x, we have our plus 12xy. So our 3y times our minus 3y, we have our minus 9, minus 9y squared. So which should now be equals to Now 16x squared. So our minus 12xy plus our 12xy is 0. So we are left with 16x squared minus 9y squared. So this is it. This is the answer. Now let's try number 2. That is our number 2. Let's try number 2. That is this one. So we have, that is our number 2 is that is our 2p plus 1 open bracket again, our 2p minus 1 close bracket. So the same thing, our 2p open bracket, our 2p minus 1 plus 1 open bracket again, our 2p minus 1 close bracket. So our 2p times our 2p are left with our 4p square minus our 2p plus 1 times 2p, we have 2p. So 1 times minus 1, we have our minus 1 here. So I left with our 4 as equals to our 4p square. So our minus 2p plus our 2p is 0. So I left with minus 1. So this is it. That is the answer for this. That is the answer for this. So let's solve another example. Number 2, using difference of two squares, evaluate 8.9 square minus 1.1 square. That is II. 99 square minus 1. So let's see what we can do about this. Okay, so let's start with this. Let's start with this number 1. So we have our, that is 8.9 square minus 1.1 square. So which is equals to, open your bracket, our 8.9 plus 1.1 sub bracket, open bracket again, 8.9. Take note, we are using difference of two square to evaluate, minus 1.1. So let's expand this. So take note, everything here, multiply everything here, everything here. So which is equals to our 8.9, put your bracket, 8.9 minus 1.1 close our bracket, plus 1.1 plus 1.1 in your bracket again, 8.9 minus 1.1. So which is equals to our 8.9 times our 8.9. So let's see that equation. Using your calculator, multiply that 8.9 times our 8.9. We have 79.21, which is 79.21. So then 8.9 here times minus 1.1, we have our minus 9.71. Then our 1.1 multiply this, that is plus 1.1 times 8.9, we have our 9.71. Then this times minus 1.1 times minus 1.1, we have minus 1.21. So which is equals to now 79 or 79.21. Now minus 9.71 plus 9.710, so we are left with minus 1.21. So which will give us equals to our 79.21 minus 1.21. We are left with 78 as the answer. So the answer is 78. So let's solve the last one. So let's solve this II. So II is 99 square minus 1. So take note, difference of two squares is applied. So which will give us equals to, we expand this, we have our 99 plus 1, close our bracket, open another bracket again, 99 minus 1. So which will give us, that is equals to, or 99, open bracket, 99 minus 1, close our bracket, now plus 1, open bracket, that is 99 minus 1. So which will give us, that is equals to, now our 99 times our 99, we have 9,801. That is 9,801. 99 times minus 1, we are left with minus 99. Now 1 times 99, that is, you have a plus 99. Then 1 again times minus 1, we are left with minus 1. So which is equals to our 9,801. So minus 99 plus 99 is 0, so I left with minus 1. So our answer here will be 9,801 minus 1, you are left with 9,800. So that is it. So in our next class, we'll look at the sum of two cubes. The sum of two cubes. Thank you very much. Do well to subscribe.